What's up guys, this is Sunny back with another video. Today we have here Gamdias Aeolus M21204R 120mm 3 rings RGB fans. Looks really cool. You can pick up Aeolus M2 for around $79.99, but remember, price does fluctuate. Also, you can use these fans with motherboard's native RGB software, Asus Aura, Gigabyte RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light Sync, and ASRock Polycarbon Sync. Don't worry if your motherboard doesn't have 5V 3-pin RGB connector option, it's okay. You can still control the fans and the RGB with the remote control. Fan speed starts from 500 RPM to 1500 RPM. Noise level is around 15 to 22 dBA. After opening the box, you will find 4 Aeolus M2 RGB fans, remote controller, 8-channel RGB pod lighting hub with SATA connector support up to 8 Aeolus M2 RGB fans, LED in and out cables, piece of magnet with adhesive so you can mount the hub, and the mounting screws for the fans. Now the installation part is really simple. You can install all the fans and run all the fans cable to lighting hub and connect the hub male SATA cable to power supply female SATA connector. Mount the hub with the magnet, and now you can control the fans and the RGB with the remote controller or motherboard native RGB software. Now I currently have Asus motherboard, so I can download Asus Aura and have fun. If you don't want to use the software, then you can use the controller and control the LED speed, lighting effects, brightness, and also you have LED on and off option. Aeolus M2 offer up to 55 lighting effects, 10 light speed, 4 fan speed, and up to 10 levels of brightness. So you can show off your beautiful RGB gaming PC. Overall, I think Aeolus M2 RGB fans works really well, but fans are not all that quiet even at the lowest setting. Price tag $79.99, not too bad, but let me know what you guys think. There will be an Amazon affiliate link in the video description, so don't forget to check out. See you guys next one.